Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video here, I'm going to show you how to authenticate your Pinarello. If it's a private sale or if anything, you guys should be checking over the authenticity of that bike down there. So I'm going to guide you quickly through the process. And this is going to be a short video where I'm going to take you to the how to how to point out the serial number. And then I'm going to take you on a computer to show you the form, the Pinarello form that you need to fill out and go from there. So let's put it this way. Okay, so you're going to purchase the bike. Let's say it's a private sale. And if everything looks legit over here, this is what you should be doing. So here we have, there's going to be a VIN number right here. I'm going to just hide mine for a second. You see here, there's going to be a barcode right here. You see here? This is the serial number. In my particular case, it starts with 2A. So the first thing that you gotta do is locate this barcode and then save that number on a piece of paper. So once you have secured the piece of paper, you wanna that number, you wanna write it down because I'm gonna take you now onto the global Pinarello form, and you're gonna fill it out, and I'm gonna show you now what you're gonna do now. Let's take you over. Okay, welcome back. So for you guys that are following, this is the second part. You see what I have here? I have pinarello.com/global/English contact form. So I'm gonna put that link in the description. That's right here. And let me show you what happens. So when you log on that website, you basically get in the support contact us form, and this is what they're gonna look like over here. To show you quickly, you see here. So you're gonna have this request form, and you're gonna have this. So your name, your surname, your email, your country, and they even have an option for you guys here to put an attachment, which is very nice. And then this little tiny box over here is that where you're gonna put your serial number of your Pinarello. And if everything checks out fine, you can get a copy here or whatnot, and then hit send a message. And what's going to happen, these guys are pretty quick. They're going to get back to you fairly fast. And what you want to do, you want to expect email from them with the confirmation whether or not your Pinarello is fake or not. And then these guys will give you that green light. You can hand over your cash, purchase your bike, and then you can enjoy your bike. Hopefully you found this interesting. What I will do for you guys, there's going to be this form link in the description where you can go so easy, fill it out, and then confirm your bike. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.